Hello my dear students. Today we will start class BSc part 1st, paper 3rd physical chemistry. The unit 1st is comprised of two parts, mathematical concepts and computers. We will start with today mathematical concepts, and the very first topic is logarithmic relations. Students, we all know that in science there are mathematical calculations and they are very important for us, but these mathematical calculations are lengthy and tedious and also time consuming. To solve this problem, a Scottish mathematician John Napier gave logarithmic theory using law of rational indices. How he does this? Let we have an exponential expression like 2 the power 3 is equal to 8. What does it mean? It means that 2 is multiplied by itself 3 times. That is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. 2 multiplied by itself 3 times gives 8. Here base is what? 2. Base is what? 2. So how we can write this exponential expression into the form of logarithm? In the form of logarithm, we can write this as log of 8 to the base 2. Log of 8 to the base 2 equals 3. Log of 8 to the base 2 is equal to 3. Okay. Now, system of logarithms. There are two systems of logarithm. First is natural, also called Napier system. Second is general, also called bridge system. In natural system, we take base as e. E is what? Exponential. And this exponential is what? This is the sum of this series. What is this series? This is 1 plus factorial 1 upon factorial 1 plus 1 upon factorial 2 plus 1 upon factorial 3 and so on. And this gives a net value as 2.718, and approximately it can be rounded off to write 2.72. So the value of e exponential is 2.72. Okay. And in this system log can be written as log of x with the base e. Okay. Log of x with to the base e or ln x. This is called natural log. Okay. Natural log, either ln x or log x to the base e. In the second system, this is called general bridge system. Base is taken as 10. 10 is only the base here, and it is written as log x to the base 10. Log x to the base 10. In general, all the signs calculations are like this. So, in general, 10 is eliminated here and we generally write it as log x. Okay. Now, the fundamental laws of logarithms. To write logarithms, we have to follow some fundamental rule. The first rule is the rule of multiplication. In the rule of multiplication, if there are two factors which are getting multiplied, how to write their log? To write their log, the solution is this, is the sum of their individual logs. How? Sum of their individual logs. How we can write this? We can write log of m to the base a plus this multiplication sign is changed into addition sign. Okay. And log of n to the base a. Okay. So this is the rule. If there are two factors which are getting multiplied in the log form, they are added. And next is division law. What is division law? If there are two factors which are getting divided, These are divided, m is dividing by n here. So how to write their log? Their log can be written as, if two factors are getting divided in their logarithmic form, these have got subtracted, or their difference of individual logs is written here. That is the log of m to the base a minus log of n to the base a. That is, their individual logs difference is the result of this. Okay. So if the two factors are getting divided in the logarithmic form, their logs are subtracted actually. Okay. The next rule is the exponential law. Next law is the exponential law. In exponential law, let we have an expression like this: log to the power n. Okay, this is a general log in which exponent is also there. N is called power or exponent. So what is its result? Its result will be, this exponent is getting multiplied, will get multiplied. Okay, and log form will be as usual like this. So this exponent get multiplied here and the leftover log is here. So its result is n log 2 the base a. Now the law of change of base. The fourth law is the law of change of base. In this, if we want to write some log by the changing the base, let we have a base. Here we are having a base a. Now we want to write this log in the form of base b. How can we write? We can write this log of x, log x with different base b plus log b with the initial base a. This is its solution. Okay. Now there are sub rules. That is, if base and the quantity which we are taking log are same, then their log is 1. Okay. If we are taking the digit 1 or number 1, log of number 1 is always 0. If bases are getting exchanged, bases are getting exchanged, then their multiplication result will be equal to 1. Now we will see there some examples as solve some example. Now first example, write the logarithmic form of this. 5 to power 3 is equal to 125. So very easy. We can write log of 25 or log 125 to the base 5. Base is here 5. So log of 125 to the base 5 is equal to 3. This is the answer. Okay. Now what is the exponential form of this logarithmic expression? इसकी exponential form क्या होगी? Exponential form will be, base is this 3. Base is 3. 3 to the power 4 gives us 81. We know 3 when it is multiplied 4 times, it gives 81. The third example we will take here is prove that log 96 is equal to 5 log 2 plus log 3. It is LHS, it is RHS. We have to prove this. Okay, we take RHS. on RHS, what is there? 5 log 2 plus log 3. Now 5 is there, it is in multiplying form, so we can write 5 as the exponent of 2. So log to the power 5, or we can say that when we write its log, 5 gets multiplied and we get 5 log 2. Okay, and log 3 as it is. Now 2 logs are getting added, so actually they are in multiplication. Okay, we can write this. If 2 logs are getting added, so in its solution, what is? They are getting multiplied, so they are added here. So we have this log to the power 5 is what? 32 into 3, and this is log 96. Hence proved LHS is equal to RHS. One other example we will take here is, okay, this is finished now.